Hi there, here I am PSK. Today we are going to know about the registration. How can we register at the JK Institute? So let's know about the registration here. Here you are looking right now home page. This is home page of the JK Institute, and you are looking this interface of the home page. So if you want to contact us or want to talk or chat conference, then you can contact us directly to our official agents who can guide you, or you can contact to our technicians who will guide you about the JK Institute, how can you make courses and all things they will guide you. So let's know here how can we register. So our point is to register at the JK Institute. So if you have not subscribed our website, then click on this bell icon, then click on this subscribe. So why am I doing this all? This is for subscription, so that you can get new updates of the JK Institute. Whenever we update something about educational, you can get notifications for new updates. That's why we can do it. Now let's know here for registration. Here you're looking this box, sign up box, and this registration. If you have already an account, then you can log in here. If you have no account, then you can register here or here. So let me click on this sign up button. As I click here, this page will be loaded. So wait for a while, it is loading. Okay, now this registration form has been loaded. Let's register here. How can we register at the JK Institute? So right now you're looking this username. So fill here username. What username do you want to keep here? So let me give here, and then email ID. After that, password here. I have filled all details here. Username and email ID, password, confirm password, and then click on this box, check in. If you want to register here as a student, then directly click on this register button. If you want to become a teacher, then click on this box, and then you will find this box. And also you can later on register as instructor. So right now I'm going to register here as a student. After register as a student, I'll register later on as instructor. So I'm going to register here as a student. Click on this. After clicking on this, you will see this, oh sorry, it is telling that password is not matched. Now I have filled again this password. Let me click on. Now you are looking this. Please follow the instructions sent to your email address. Now go to your email and click on the activation link to activate your account. Go to your email ID and check there. Did you get email or not from the JK Institute to activate your account? So I got this link. Let me click on this and activate account. So I have activated my account. Right now you're looking this dashboard of the student. So as you register at the JK Institute, you will get 20 points for registration, and here you will get affiliate link from where you can copy and can share to your friends to earn your points. And here certificates you will get, and you can edit your profile, you can cancel your subscription anytime, and also in groups you can study. So you are looking some other points option here, my quizzes and my orders, memberships, all things you can see here. If you want to order here membership and want to study monthly fees, then you can have membership. So right now I don't have any course, and I did not purchase any course here at the JK Institute. So now let's let's become teacher here. Before I registered as a student at the JK Institute, but now I want to become an instructor at the JK Institute. So to become an instructor, click on this. Right now you're looking become an instructor. If you want to send message to the JK Institute or want to ask something, then you can put here your name, email ID and send message what you want to send and want to ask to our technicians. So click on this become an instructor. If you want to become a teacher at the JK Institute, click on this and fill this detail degree, MAT, and in which you are expert, that put here and then send application to be an instructor at the JK Institute. So right now you're looking this, your application is under submission. So your application is under to JK Institute. They will allow you, and after or later on you will be become a teacher. So let me press now. Let's refresh this page. I think this will be updated. Now I can see this dashboard of the teacher. So announcements, certificates added, grade book, cancellation, and teachers can add students to their courses, groups, assignments, bundles of courses. All things you will get this in the dashboard of the teacher. So here you can add your courses, new courses. So hopefully you understood about the registration, how can we register at the JK Institute. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, signing off.